Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Virden, Manitoba. This welcoming town is known as the oil capital of Manitoba and sits in the southwestern part of the province, not far from the Saskatchewan border. Virden began in the late 1800s as a farming and railway community, growing quickly after oil was discovered nearby in the 1950s. That discovery brought new jobs and helped shape the town's future. Virden has a rich farming history too, with wide open fields and strong ties to the land. Today, you'll find a charming downtown filled with historic brick buildings, local shops, and friendly faces. The community is proud of its past and often hosts festivals and events that bring people together. Virden is also close to pretty parks, golf courses, and outdoor spots where visitors can enjoy the peaceful prairie scenery. It's a great place to stop, stretch your legs, and take in a bit of Manitoba's history and small-town charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Virden, Manitoba.
Thanks for watching!